Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm featuring Spellbinders Swirl Booklet Insert. This is one of the Romancing the Swirl collection dies designed by Becca Feeken, and this is lovely. What I like about this die set is it's very versatile. It's also perfect for making little gift card holders. So that's what I'm planning to do today. So first of all, I'll just explain there's 4 pieces in the die set. So you've got this very nice intricate insert here, an outer frame, a second insert which you'll see has slots for you to slot in a gift card, or in fact you could do photographs or business cards. They all fit. You've got 2 sizes of slots there, so it will work on all regular sizes of those products. And then you've also got this very nice extra die here, which is a swirl which you can add as an embellishment. You can trim that, it works perfectly on corners. So a really nice die set. So let me explain that insert die to you just a little bit further. This is just a plain card, and I've gone ahead and all I've done is use the insert on its own, and that has provided me with those slots to put in a gift card. So I know you get cards given to you by the stores when you purchase a gift card, but it is a really nice touch to have your own. So I've just simply done that, put the die straight onto that card there, and then it's created the slots for the card to go, the gift card to go in, and then of course you can decorate. What I'm going to do is something slightly different and make a much smaller, more like a wallet. So white card I've scored. This measures, let me see, probably inch-wise, it just measures 6 inches by 4 inches, and I've scored down there. And then I've also gone ahead, and that's going to be my insert for my gift card. By using the outer frame and the decorative insert, you're going to achieve a beautiful die cut like that. By just using the outer frame, I've gone ahead and done some patterned paper. Again, this is from the paper pad that we have on the website at the moment. This paper pad has sat on my desk, and I think I've used pretty much every design from it now. It's beautiful. Very delicate pastels. So with your outer frame, we're just going to glue that decorative die cut over the top. So that's glued into place. I'm just going to pop that to one side and bring back in my card. I'm going to use some foam tape to place it inside. Just be aware not to go over your corners, because that's where you're going to be inserting your card. So I'm going to switch to decorating the front, and in fact I'm going to do this landscape. I've cut some little flowers and a sentiment, so I'm going to be affixing that onto the front of my little booklet here. But before I put that down, I've cut some twine, and that's going to go underneath. This is what's going to keep it closed. So just positioning where I want that to be, and to keep it in place, some strips of the crafty foam tape. I'm going to remove the backing off of those. And then put in place a gift card. Okay, so then you can tie this closed. You can add further embellishments. I've just die cut some extra little flowers I want to add in, and I just want to add little pearls to the middle of the flowers. So the little wallet, which just opens with twine, and then you can slot inside your gift card, and then you've got your little gift card inside. And as I mentioned, you could also put in there a photograph or a business card, which would be a really nice touch if you run a business and you'd like to enclose those with your orders and things. So that's a very summary version that I've created. You can obviously do something a little bit more festive, more likely that you are going to be using gift cards at Christmas. So this one I've just done portrait. I've used some scrap pattern paper from my scrap box there, and I've gone for a ribbon with a bigger bow as opposed to the twine, and just added a little bit of holly and mini poinsettias. So a really lovely die set, everything you need to get set up for your gifts. So here's a reminder, the die set is called Swirl Booklet Insert. It's designed by Becca Feeken of Amazing Paper Grace for Spellbinders. Really hope you've liked these projects. They're fun to do, and of course you can get ahead and have these in reserve for Christmas and in fact for everyday gift cards. If you enjoy our videos, we'd love you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also please leave us a comment, because we send out the project that we make each week. And so we pick out a name on a Saturday and it will be in the post to you. Thanks again. Take care now. Bye.